Generate an image using Microsoft Designer. On your interactive dashboard, scroll down and locate the Image Creator tool, then proceed to click on it. Upon landing on the Image Creator page, you'll find it populated with numerous cleverly generated images, each one distinct and engaging in its own way. Now, these images are not just to look at. You have the freedom to edit the prompts and play around with them. If you wish to generate a brand new, unique image, look out for the readily available prompt bar. Here you will be able to type in any concept or thought that comes to mind as your prompt. Once you're content with your input, proceed to click on the aptly labeled Generate button. This will initialize the exciting process of generating your imagination into a visual treat. But the journey doesn't end here. The process of creating your image also includes saving it for future use or sharing. So, after your image has been splendidly generated, you simply need to click on it. Once you do so, you'll notice a handy download button appearing on the right side of the screen. Click on it to download your creative output.